What? Are you talking to me? There's nobody else here. You must be talking to me. Would you like some breakfast? Look how fluffy you are this morning. Oh my gosh. You're so fluffy. Have you been told today that you're fluffy? Oh, do you know you just... one of those just flicked into my eye. Hazardous. Don't need to wear sunglasses. Well, I would like to start the day by saying much gratitude and thank you. Thank you for waking me up at sunrise. I heard you calling. I opened the door and he sitting on the post. I love you very much. And welcome to a new day of life. And I say much gratitude for this day of life. Oh, you just hit me in the head. Dude, just hit me in the head. Well, much love. I'll leave the rest here for you.